Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's hard reset Samsung A260 A2 hard reset, password remove, switch off the phone. Can charge 30-40%, but I don't have time. I connect the charger. Press volume up and power key together. Keep holding. When you see the logo, then release the power key. Keep holding volume up. Now you can release all the button. Samsung A2 core, A260. Now we bring a wipe dot factory reset. From volume down. Okay. Select the power key. Press yes. Okay. It's removing. Password is removed. Now reboot system now from the power key. Guys, please subscribe my new channel, like the video, press once. It's rebooting. Just wait and don't do anything, just wait. It will be on now. Android, starting Android. It's ready to use. Now go next. Connect your Wi-Fi. Check. Okay, just connect. And put your Google account. After connect and use your phone. So this phone is ready for use. If you forget the password, then there is other videos. You can subscribe the channel and for more videos, guys. So this password is removed, but this phone have a Google account, previous account. Unique. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you in next video.